There are 4 ways to shut down your phone in iOS 18. So number one, when you slide down that control center, you'll find on the top right corner the power button. When you press on that power button, you'll see you can shut down your phone. And the second, when you go into the setting, go to the general, go all the way down, you'll find shut down your phone. You can do that thing too. And the third one is in the setting also. You need to go to accessibility. Go into the accessibility, you'll find the touch. Click on it, turn on your assistive touch, turn it on. You'll find this floating button on the screen. Just hit on it and just hit on the device session. You can lock your screen also, but you can restart by hitting more, and you'll find it is saying restart your phone. So these are the 3 options, and the one is very useful by physical button. So you just need to press and hold power button and volume down together. Press and hold until you see that thing, and you can just swipe and shut down your phone. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.